Hello friends! If you are looking for the best new Zenith watches, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notifications. For more details, please visit the links that were given in the video description. Number 7. Zenith Chronomaster Collection El Primero Range Rover. What a nice watch it is! Item shape: round. Dial window material type: scratch-resistant sapphire. Display type: analog. Deployment clasp: case material: ceramic. Case diameter: 42 mm. Case thickness: 12.75 mm. Band material: perforated calfskin leather, rubber-backed. Band width: 18 mm. Number 6. Zenith Chronomaster Revival Manufacturer Edition. Band material: leather. Watch movement: Zenith Automatic Self-Wind, El Primero. Dial color: white with black subdials. Band color: black. Power reserve: approximately 50 hours. Date at 4:30. Small seconds at 9 o'clock. Tachymetric scale. The return of a chronograph legend. The Chronomaster El Primero A384 Revival is a faithful reproduction of the very first Zenith watch to feature the El Primero high-frequency automatic chronograph caliber, paired with a black alligator leather strap. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: anti-reflective sapphire. Display type: analog. Steel buckle clasp. Case material: stainless steel. Number 5. Zenith Defi Classic Carbon. This Zenith watch is marvelous and very easy to adjust. In-house elite skeletonized movement with silicone escape wheel and lever. 50-hour power reserve. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: anti-reflective sapphire. Display type: analog. Buckle clasp. Case material: black ceramic. Case diameter: 41 mm. Band material: rubber. Band color: black. Dial color: skeletonized. Bezel material: black ceramic. Calendar date. Special features: black ceramic. Movement: Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth: 100 meters. Number 4. Zenith Defi ZG. Wow, what a great piece! Worth every penny. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: anti-reflective sapphire. Display type: analog. Titanium deployment clasp. Display type: analog. Band material: titanium. Band color: silver. Dial color: gray skeleton. Bezel material: titanium. Movement: automatic. Water resistant depth: 100 meters. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Number 3. Zenith Pilot Collection Extra Special 40 mm. This watch is very accurate and comfortable, great wrist presence. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: scratch-resistant sapphire. Display type: analog. Tang buckle clasp. Case diameter: 45 mm. Case thickness: 14.25. Band material: nubuck leather. Band color: brown. Dial color: black. Bezel material: fixed. Movement: automatic. Water resistant depth: 100 meters. Number 2. Zenith Defi Extreme Desert 95.9200.9004/77.I001. The quality is really outstanding at this price. Movement: El Primero. Components: 293. Frequency: 36,000 VPH, 5 Hz. Power reserve: minimum 50 hours. 1/100th of a second chronograph. Central chronograph hand that makes one turn each second. 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock. 60-second counter at 6 o'clock. Chronograph: power reserve indication at 12 o'clock. Hours and minutes in the center. Small seconds at 9 o'clock. Material: TI and Falcon's Eye. Diameter: 45 mm. Water resistance: 20 ATM. Dial: tinted sapphire with 3 beige-colored counters. Strap: titanium bracelet. Number 1. Zenith Chronomaster Original E-Commerce Edition. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Movement, El Primero. Components, 311. Frequency, 36,000 VPH, 5 Hz. Power reserve, approximately 60 hours. Material, steel. Diameter, 38 mm. Water resistance, 5 ATM. Dial, silver with 3 different colored counters and special 1/10 of a second scale, divided in 3 colors. Strap, gray calfskin leather with special stitchings. Stainless steel triple folding clasp. The watch is very accurate and comfortable. Great wrist presence.